What's going on, YouTube? Thanks for tuning in with Review It All. So this channel, I'm going to be reviewing used things, new things, whatever I got sitting in the house, whatever I went to the store to purchase. That's why the channel is called Review It All. It don't matter what it is, I'm going to review it. But before we get started with this video, subscribe right now. And while you at it, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Trap my slipper and all that. But here we go. So we got this Carhartt Deluxe lunch cooler bag, as y'all can see. Nice little small bag, compact. When I first seen this bag, I was like, yo, I gotta get this bag. Very nice bag. It's real dope. They had this color too in there. I was like, nah, I'm gonna just go with the black. So, pick the black one. It was pretty dope. I deal with cameras and drones and shit, and I was like, I just don't like having too much bags with me. So I feel like this will be a great one for me. Great fit. Got my little, battery for my drone. Got my drone charger, thing here, the port. And I could put something else over there too. Still a little more space, as y'all can see. Got my drone controller in there. Got my drone in there, as y'all can see. And it's still a little more space where I could put something else in there. That's the dope part I like about that. So we're gonna get to the next section of the bag. This is a great bag, y'all, I'm telling you. Because when I be going out taking pictures and all that with my camera, got my drone, I got a book bag on, I got a, tripod with me. Another bag is just too much, as y'all can see. Right there, I can see my drone. See what I'm saying? Still a little more space. So I'm going to put something extra when I go out and get some nice drone shots so it won't be wobbling all over the place. So got this little part of the bag, as y'all can see. Got my camera in there. Like I said, this is a lunch bag, but I ain't gonna be using it for no lunch. But never know. Might go to the beach, have a few canned sodas in there or something, get thirsty. Got one of my camera lens in there. Another camera lens. Nifty 50. Got my handheld gimbal, DJI. I'm gonna show y'all the inside of the bag. As y'all can see, pretty dope. A lot of space, real spacey. So that's what I like about this bag. It's a pretty dope bag, So now I usually be having 2 bags with me, 3 bags. So now I don't need to do that. I could keep it simple and short. As y'all can see, pretty dope bag. Got this little thing in the back. So this is got that little thing, or you can hold it here. Whatever you prefer. This is an amazing bag right here, y'all. Like I said, I'm gonna keep the video pretty short because getting these reviews, getting through with them, This is my first video, so I got a lot more reviews coming. So like I said, this is a pretty dope bag, and you definitely could put your camera in there, whatever you want. Your phone chargers and stuff like that. It's not a big bag, but it fits me. It's good for me. I ain't got to be having on no backpack and all that. So, it's a pretty dope bag, man. Carhartt. You can't go wrong, I always love the Carhartt brand anyway. They make some good jackets, hoodies, and all that stuff, hats. So, $24.99. You can't beat that with a baseball bat. Pretty dope bag. And I hope y'all enjoy this, little review. Comment and subscribe. So thanks for tuning in. Hit that like button again. Stay blessed, everybody.